Hi, I'm Paris, and it was about a year ago that we switched from using regular old-fashioned oven mitts to the Grill Armor gloves. These were sent to me by the company. I tried them out and liked them so much they became our new kitchen gloves. They're 5-fingered gloves, so they're very handy for holding on to things, and they don't have the soft, thin spots you sometimes get in oven mitts where you really feel the hot thing when you grab onto it. But now there's an even more improved version of the Grill Armor gloves, and that is the Grill Armor glove that you can use in boiling water.
Epic Review Guys.
Thanks to the folks at Grill Armor Gloves for sending me their newest model. This has a layer of latex on the outside, so you can still grab the really hot items, but so long as you're careful they don't spring a leak, you can actually reach right into a pot of boiling water to pull out corn on the cob or hard-boiled eggs. And they very kindly sent me a second pair of their very newest gloves to give away to one of our viewers. I'll tell you about that a little bit later. These gloves, one set, goes for about $30, and you can find out more about them at the link down below this video. As I mentioned, the Grill Armor gloves have become our standard kitchen gloves since they sent me this pair last year to try out, and we really like them. So these have been great. The one downside to them is you can't get them wet. Inside, the cotton and other materials that it's made out of have little air pockets, and that provides the insulation. You get them wet, and the air pockets inside fill up with water, so they no longer insulate you from the heat. Not a good situation. Well, this new pair has this very same type of material that provides excellent insulation, but it's covered in this latex glove, so you can grab things right off the barbecue grill. You can get these wet or saucy, get things on them. It should be very easy to clean. Inside, a little bit different looking material that provides the insulation, and from what I've read online, you do want to be careful putting your hands in and taking them out. I've noticed this with gloves before that have liners inside, that if you pull your hand out and the liner comes with it, it is a chore to have to poke the thumb and the fingers back down inside. So enough talking. This is YouTube. Time to do something potentially dangerous. I am going to boil some corn on the cob and make some hard-boiled eggs, but instead of draining the water out or removing the objects or using tongs, I'll be using my hands. My corn on the cob looks ready. Boiling water and the glove. Here we go. I don't feel anything, I don't feel anything, I don't feel anything. Hey, that's pretty good, I didn't feel anything. Alright, let's grab this twirly one. I do feel my fingers heating up a little bit from that, but it's been in boiling water and it's working. One more. Okay. Very nice. And hard-boiled eggs. I'll try the left-hand glove for this one. Here we go. Having my hand in the boiling water, I feel my fingers warm up a little. The only place it gets a little bit hot is squeezing onto an object, like the egg or the corn on the cob. If you squeeze that strongly, you flatten out the insulation inside. So you want to sort of spread the weight around when you pick it up if you can. Time to try out the new Grill Armor glove on pulling something out of the oven, and I'll use my regular Grill Armor on the other hand. Yeah, pretty good. This was at 365 degrees in the oven. I have no problem, but the one thing I can do with this glove that I wouldn't do with this glove, because I can wash this, is pull the chicken, whoa, right out of here. Well, I was pleased with how well the new Grill Armor cooking gloves work. They're a nice addition to the original Grill Armor gloves. With both types of gloves, though, you do have to keep in mind that they're just for very short usage to grab something hot, take it and put it somewhere else. They work fine for that. You can't expect that they'll let you grab onto something and keep holding onto it and still keep your hands cool. Find out more about the new Grill Armor cooking gloves at the link down below this video. And as I mentioned, yes, the company did send out an extra pair of these new style gloves to give away to one viewer. So if you'd like a chance to win these, still in the package, Grill Armor cooking gloves, all you have to do is comment down below this video something about cooking, and a week from today, so Monday, October 8th, 2018, I'll look through the comments and pick one as a winner, get in touch with you, send these on their way. And with Thanksgiving coming up soon, I could see these gloves taking you from stuffing to basting to taking the turkey out of the oven and serving. And suddenly I have a craving for a turkey sandwich. Time to have lunch. I'll see you on the next review.
Epic Review Guys. Wanna watch it all?